Hi, Class Fam. So, today's video is another goal for a makeover episode. I found this cute little wooden house from the dollar store, and I thought it looked cute with the heart in the middle. And I'm uh, pumping how I decorated this wooden birdhouse. To the video, and make sure you subscribe. So here's number 4 in the middle, and so at first I am nestling. I'm doing this nice big coat of wood, and bam, I have it all done and all white, and you can see. And then I wanted to swipe lines, so I took some paper tape, and you can see here, and made some spaces where I don't want the one color. And I start by painting red on every other section of this little farmhouse thing that I found at the dollar store. So I thought in woman. So what I'm doing red, white, pink. So I grabbed the pink and I'm painting the pink on this next column here. And you can see, I'm just making sure it's evenly flat and distributed. And now I'm going to go back to red on this other side of the column. The green paint and the white part of the gesso we just put on earlier to make the column lock. So I'm making sure I get it evenly covered. Now I'm turning it. I'm finding out how to turn it. I'm turning it to the side. And I only have the white part paint. And I decided to pink instead of red on this side. So I'm covering this side of the house, pocket pink, very evenly. And now I'm grabbing the house and turning it over to the other side. And I'm painting the pink on the other side to match the order I have the fence here. Painting it very evenly, pink and nice. So a good coat there. And I'm showing you. And now I turn it back over flat side and I'm starting to paint the background red. So I have it red. And I'm painting it and the red background around the little heart. Make it a Valentine's Day theme little birdhouse. And I'm continuing painting this background red. As you see here, and I'm evenly getting the heart now around the heart. I'm painting it all the way around. Making sure I get all the edges nice and neat with my paintbrush. I'm painting it flat and I'm trying to make sure I get the inner side all nice and painted. Now I'm finished. So I just left the roof white and I peeled off the paint to reveal the nice scent. And here is the finished bonnet. So I have a nice white roof and the heart and pink and white pattern, and that's the finished birdhouse. On to the outro. So this took me a lot minutes long. So this is the finished bonnet. I might add some slight details or something on it later. But here is the finished details. If you enjoy this dollar store, mini dollar store makeover, please give this a big thumbs up. Comment down below any video you want to see this year or whatnot. And yeah, so there's the finished product. Please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps to get more recommended to people who might like this type of content. So please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Or if you didn't, please give it a thumbs down. It helps me know what videos I enjoyed and what videos you don't. And comment below anything nice you want to say or any video you want to see. And hit that big red subscribe button right there to load this crafty fam and